So, quick tip for your machine chest pressing, particularly the incline variant in this case. Now, instead of tightening things up by arching the back, rolling your shoulders back through scapular retraction, as if you're trying to pitch a coin in between your shoulder blades, and abducting out at nearly 90 degrees of abduction, as in flaring your elbows out, you should be using more protraction and press with a more spread back rather than using excessive retraction to thus limit scapular restriction, as the pec acts on the shoulder girdle. So if we restrict mobility in the shoulder girdle through retraction, we restrict movement of the humerus, and as a result, we reduce the ability for the pectoral to act on the shoulder girdle and contract if we're not allowing natural movement. As the main job in the chest press is to simply just translate the humerus across to the chest. So when we restrict movement, we're also going to put more strain on the rotator cuff, particularly the teres minor, subscapularis, and supraspinatus muscles, because you're actively holding the shoulder girdle in place, and therefore more force will be applied to this musculature, as the chest can only produce so much force in that retracted position to move the humerus, so other musculature will have to take over. Consequently, making the extra tad bit of stability not worth it if we're looking to optimize our execution. Lastly, you should be adducting in more by bringing those elbows down to best align the humerus with the clavicular pec fibers, as in the upper chest. This additional and small adjustment will reduce the involvement of other musculature such as the coracobrachialis and most effectively and optimally stimulate the upper pec by simply aligning the humerus with the orientation of the muscle fibers. Be sure to like and follow for more science-based training.